What's up? It's sign time. Back for part 5 of the melee only. As you can see, as I said last video, Halloween event. So this is part 0 from my knowledge. So you see the map has changed. Very nice. So surely something interesting will happen. So someone made a really good point, and I don't even know how I didn't think about this. I should probably get the Paladin hammer and stuff like that, considering it is actually a pretty good weapon. Even before like the class system came out, it was actually a pretty good weapon. So made a good point. So today our goals are to get those, obviously, and maybe a few other things. See what's happening in this update, as well as trying to make obvious upgrades, maybe get some new melee accessories if that's possible, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Go from there. Hopefully we can get a pure versus corrupted biome, because I would love to upgrade my current stuff. We'll see. So pretty long intro, but if you enjoy the video, subscribe. You can like if you want. Comment down something below. Any other series that you'd like to see. Actually, you know what? If you're really interested, people in the comments, because I know you got somebody who usually comments on every video. How about you suggest right now what the next playthrough should be after this? That being said, let's get into it. Alright, so right off the bat here we have Ripper. I hope I can get his claws. I think that'd be a pretty good upgrade. So I'm pretty excited to see what happens in this Halloween event. Apparently on the 25th, we should be expecting to see part 2. So that's always pretty... part 1, this is part 0. So, I'm looking forward to that. Definitely want to see how that's looking. Man. Going into hard mode just makes you feel so weak. Not that that's a bad thing necessarily. This is where the good stuff happens. I also want to apologize for last video, because that's not how I exactly wanted a video to end, So none of that this time. Although I am on a tight schedule, as for Dragon Ball Xeno Multiverse. If you didn't know what that game is, it's a Dragon Ball game on Roblox. Lately, it's kind of been falling off because it hasn't received any updates, but a few days ago, the developer, DBDev, I know him as Saiyan, he actually made an announcement at a specific time. He held an event where he was talking about what's been going on and what he's going to be sacrificing to make sure that he can get these updates out weekly to 2 weekly to every other week basis. So we should you should be seeing more Dragon Ball Z Multiverse content from me if you're interested in that. And as I was saying before that, I'm actually the God of Destruction for Universe 10 in that game. So after I'm done this, I actually am going to be hosting an event for it. So that's why this video might not be... might feel a little bit more rushed, but if I have time, I'll cut and I'll come back right after I'm finished doing that little tournament. So yeah, that's the plan. So we almost got him dead right here. No need to even speed it up. We got him right now. We got him, and we got the Ripper claws. That's what I've been looking for. All right. This should be a direct upgrade. Oh wait, hold on. Almost forgot. You have some of the stuff that's weaker. Oh yeah, that is fast, dude. Oh my gosh, dude, the attack speed is insane on that. Oh yeah, dude, look at that. So yeah, I think this is a direct upgrade from what we were just using. So, Now we gotta hope that Paladin spawns. I'm really digging this map. I mean, let's just check it out for a second. Like, we got the jack-o'-lanterns. Got like a gravestone over here. Lurkers. Oh yeah, I think that was one of the mobs in the mob vote for the Halloween update. Oh yeah. Dang, I forgot about that. So, we're gonna have to go to the Beneath in this series. Obviously, we've done it before. But now it's gonna be a bit harder because Halloween update is adding in a new mob down there that takes you to the limbo. And you know, that's not a very nice place to be at. Because it literally takes you out of Beneath and sends you to the limbo, which you have to escape and then come here. It's a very lengthy process. Okay, so there's summoner mains. What else we got? What's this? Oh, they just made the cat red. Dang, I hate these night suits, bro. Alright. That's fair, I guess. There we go. And I'm just hoping for Paladin to spawn here because that's kind of the weapon that we want. Especially with this melee attack speed increase. I mean, look at that. I mean, the Ripper Claws a lot before the update was already fast enough for them. Look at this, man. Like, dang. So, yeah, I guess I'll just skip to when he spawns or something. Alright, so the Paladin has finally spawned. Actually took longer than I expected. I had to kill so many other bosses, and he finally spawned. So, oh my gosh, dude. Let's hope that he actually drops his weapon. Because, I don't know if you noticed, I hate this boss so much, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, because this man is just a tank. First of all, he does all the knockback in the world. Then he got the nerve to be able to block attacks. And then on top of that, this man has a revive! Like, bro. Like, why you gotta be so annoying, man? Alright. We did it. That was harder than it would have been just because there was lag. Damn, man, I got horrible Wi-Fi, man. As soon as, like, the time, like, when it starts getting later in the day, I don't know why, the Wi-Fi just gets horrible. Hey, we got the Paladin's hammer. So, at least we got that, right? First drop, too. Thank goodness. Oh, yeah, that's some really nice attack speed right there. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Well, now that we have this, I guess there's not really much to do now. So, once again, I'm going to cut back when something happens. Actually, I'm going to specifically cut back when we get a pure versus corrupt biome, because that's the next thing that we need for progression, obviously. So, I'll be back in time. Alright, so, we're back. Not a pure versus corrupt biome, but it is an Equinox Cultist biome, which I am very underpowered to be taking this on. I just wanted to let you know that, although you probably already knew. Very underpowered to be doing this biome. It's whatever, I guess. Hey, actually, we have a chance at getting the, damn, what's it called? The Equinox Creator Gear. We have a chance at getting that early, bro, and that's Synodic tier accessories. Meaning, if we get that, it could be a real boost to our set, man. Yeah, oh, got pretty lucky here. Bro, you know what is kind of crazy? I can get, like, I've gotten, like, 2 Unholies at this point, and now I've gotten this. Bro, what am I going to get next? Like, an Astaroth and Benedictus? Like, the point I'm trying to make is, I'm able to get all these rare biomes, but I can't even get, like, the least rare biome in this entire thing. Like, isn't that kind of crazy? Yeah, so, oh yeah, and also, there is a chance that we can get Equinox Creator Chan, which is basically just the waifu version of him. And if we get her, we're set, bro. We're set. It's a 1% chance, but we're set because she has a guaranteed drop of both the manual and cape, I'm pretty sure. Meaning, well, you know what that means. That that duelist badge might not be so hard to get in the future if that's the case. And also, even if we don't, in general, we gotta hope we're lucky, because when the Equinox Creator spawns, there is a very small chance, a 33% chance that we get the cape from him. And if I can get that, man, I am set. And then actually, if we get that, I'm gonna go back, maybe try to do Atlas and see if we can get the warrior insignia, because I actually haven't gone back to grinding for the insignias. Something I probably should have done, but it's whatever. Alright, Creator's about to spawn. Ah, it's not Equinox Creator Chan. It's whatever, I guess. Yeah, well, you also know, it's pretty good because we're getting, like, forbidden crystals and moonstones before we're even getting that phase of the game, so that's always really good to see and have. I kill these musketeers because these things will just, like, do your HP as you're fighting. It's really annoying. Alright. Yeah, feel free to... Well, I don't remember this being a thing. I remember there being a cultist assassin. That's definitely new. There's no way that was there before, right? I swear I've never seen that before. What the heck? Cultist assassin. And he was just standing there. Like, he wasn't even doing anything. What? When was that an NPC? I don't remember that ever being an NPC. And the dude was just standing there. Like, he wasn't even doing anything. So what was that NPC actually supposed to be doing? Strange. Alright, so now it's just me and the creator. So I guess at this point I'm just going to speed up because this is going to be a very long fight. Wow. Well, there's another boss loss. Alright, what's up? So this is actually going to be the end of the video. Yeah. So, I mean, at least we got the biome, but obviously we weren't able to kill the Equinox creator because it disconnected. But hey, as always, tomorrow we did make some progress. So, that being said, thank you for watching. Sign time.